If your Wi Fi has been crawling slower than a snail on a rainy day, don't worry, I've got a quick fix for you. First, on your keyboard, press the Windows key plus R to open the run box. Type in ncpa.cpl and hit OK. This will open your network connections. So right click on your Wi Fi connection, select Properties, then click Configure. Next, head over to the Advanced tab and under the property list, find and click Band Selection. Now in the value dropdown, choose 5G only and click OK. This small tweak can help your connection speed up by switching you to the faster 5G band. Perfect for smoother browsing, streaming, and gaming. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.